Hey, all you motherfuckers. Jake's got me down here in Kentucky at this fucking hotel. I don't know what room's gonna be yours.
Granny, this isn't a hotel. This is a mansion. I rented it out for us for a whole week.
How in the hell did you do that?
Oh, well, they have a hard time getting people to rent it out on account of it being haunted.
Haunted? Oh, fuck no. Hell no. My ice is out of here. I ain't staying here. I don't give a damn if this is the biggest house I ever seen. Don't give a shit if it's beautiful inside. What the fuck ever. Hell no. If it's haunted, fuck that place. I ain't going in there. Holy fuck. Motherfucker. Oh, shit. You think you could fit that in your car, Jake?
Maybe if I take out all the car seats.
Take out the fucking car seat. I'm taking that home with me. Son of a bitch. Fuck, I feel like I'm on the Game of Thrones. All I need's my fucking crown. Son of a bitch. Holy fuck! Look at this! This the damn White House? Son of a bitch! I'm the president of the fucking United States. And I'm telling you what, I'm going to drop all charges. You don't have to buy cigarettes no more. You get them free. That's my word. What the fuck is this shit? Holy fuck! That's creepy as hell. What's this, a fucking elevator? Son of a bitch. It smells like shit. Press the button, asshole. Ah, damn, they got two shitters in here. No, wait a minute, that's got to be a sink. Why in the fuck are they got two sinks in here for? Son of a bitch.
I think I heard about those things. I think that's a Dubai.
What the fuck's a Dubai?
Yeah, I think, wait a minute, hold on.
Ah, you motherfucker!
What the hell?
Son of a... Oh, God damn you. Buying something, I'd beat your motherfucking ice. Oh, you...
What the heck?
You motherfucker. Son of a bitch. Do buy my fucking ice. Do you get that shit and fucking mess cleaned up? I ain't touching the motherfucker, you fucking asshole. Wonder... I can't lift it. Maybe you can lift it. I'm still in this motherfucker if I have to get something to... I don't know how, if you can't lift it, but I'm still in it. I'm putting it in my car tonight. In the car.
For what?
I'm taking the fucking thing home with me. It's probably worth some fucking money. Son of a bitch.
You know what, Granny? This kind of looks like the hotel from The Shining.
Don't you mention that fucking shit. You know I don't like that show, movie, what the fuck you want to call it. Son of a bitch, this place up here is creepy enough. They even got the rooms numbered. Son of a bitch. Holy fuck. They got a damn club down here. Boy, you can party your fucking ass off now. Son of a bitch. They even got a bar.
So this is like you should mind.